Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on your Samsung TV and opening settings. This gets you into the network area quickly. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi name and password. Write them down so you don't pause. Use the remote to select network, then network settings, pick wireless as the method. Once done, the TV will scan for nearby SSIDs, so keep the router steady and close enough to ensure a reliable initial signal for a smooth connection. You now choose your Wi-Fi name from the list, highlight it and press enter. Next, type the password using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check capitalization and special characters, because one wrong character blocks access. After entering credentials, select Connect so the TV authenticates with the router. If the TV displays obtaining IP, that means DHCP is working. Otherwise, you may need to switch to manual IP and enter router IP. Once connected, check network status to confirm connected and view signal strength. Stronger is better for streaming. Open Smart Hub or a streaming app to test playback. Make sure updates finish before heavy use. If the TV fails to connect, restart both TV and router first, then try again. If problems persist, set a manual IP using router's gateway and DNS, or temporarily disable MAC filtering and security settings on the router to identify permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.